Okay, I'm excited about this. So we're going to do code review that I've already promised to the person that I'm not going to be nice. And so this is a Rust project from one of my mentors at work and mentees at work, and it's this program that he wrote in Rust to be a simple web server. I believe in response to one of the books that he was going through. And so let's see what happens. So how I want to do this, I'm going to fork the code. So I have a version of this in my own, let's just get the main branch. So I'm going to have a copy of this in my own repository that I can work on and commit to without messing him up. And so this is my workflow. I'm going to go into here. Let's close remote. And we're going to clone repository and container volume. And you can let this go find the repository on GitHub. There it is. We're going to grab main. So this is likely going to try to start the dev container. It's not going to find dev container files because I don't think he set that up. So that's going to be, for me, very important to have a dev container environment so that I can do all of this work in a container and be able to blow that away and replicate it also in code spaces. So here is our container all set up, brand new. And I think we're ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and install some Copilot if it's not already running. I am on the public network. So it says you have these two dev container files. So I definitely want that. And what that looks like is this. It just says we're going to use this base image that Microsoft has already created for us that has the Rust compiler and everything for us. Let's see, I think it's a 175. So I think we're one revision behind or a point revision behind. And so let's see what we got here. Now the way this is set up is the top level directory has another directory that actually has the code, and then also has a target directory. Why does it have a target directory? It shouldn't have that. Maybe because of that. So what I want to do, I want to just organize this the way that I would like to see this. So let's do it this way. I'm going to touch cargo, cargo.toml, and let's add a workspaces and members equal, and we're going to include crag web cargo build. So now I can build from this top level, and essentially what we've done here is created a sort of a top level project that contains other projects. The examples are actually not right in this directory structure. Examples should have individual files under there, and he actually has this set up to have a couple of independent projects. So I'm going to move those out of there. We got hello. I'm going to move that there. And what's it called? Portfolio. We're going to move that there. And I think examples is now empty. We're going to remove the target directory, and I think we're good. Let's look at our git change. So we've moved a bunch of stuff, added some things. We're probably good. Let's run cargo build here. We still have that. And if I go in now into hello, So hello is not set up right, and I don't know if it actually does. Hello? Failed to load manifest file for workspace member hello. So let's go into hello cargo, and yeah, this points it in the wrong path. Cargo build, and I think actually that hello fails because it's not, ironically, not written right. So let's just comment this out. We're going to comment this one out too. So we at least now build. So I'm going to maybe try to break this up into smaller videos just so that we don't have this one really long video. So let me commit this. Rearranging project to match, I'm going to put this in quote, a standard, at least more of a standard, at least in my sort of opinionated book. I do want to have this have a resolver equals quote 2, I believe is what you do. And I'm going to make really bad commit messages. Don't make fun of my commit messages. So now let's look at our directory structure. So at the top level, we have 3 projects, Craig Webb, hello, and portfolio. I haven't added portfolio to this yet. I don't know if that will build. portfolio. Let me fix the path here so this works. Let's update that to 11. I don't know what it is. Cargo build. What does it say here? Failed to get Craig Webb. Yep. I know it's probably Craig Webb, but I'm just going to call it Craig because I don't know. Now we have OpenSSL in here too. It's probably for whatever that email thing is. Okay, we're building. It's not clean, but we're at least, in my book, better off organized than we were before. So 3 projects, 1 lib, 2 sort of examples. The target directory, which is going to be ignored by get ignore. Our top level cargo has a workspace that holds the 3 members. We're setting the resolver to be 2. And our license, good MIT. And we have this request.py, which looks like it's a kind of a stress test. So let's end this one here. We're only at 8-9 minutes. And now we're going to get, in the next video, we're going to start going into the lib files and see what we can do. Actually, probably we're going to clean up all these problems because it just gets noisy. I like to be able to have my problems all clean, so all of my work that I'm doing, anything that shows up in this tab is going to be something I have to fix. See you in the next video.